Hi, in this video you're going to be creating a shapeshifter to explore all types of shapes that you can make and what those similarities and differences are in between each of those shapes. So you're going to be making something that looks like this ultimately, and I did make this one out of origami paper, but I know that's not something that we have at home right now, so I'm going to be actually showing you how to do this just from a normal piece of paper. So whether you've got a piece of printer paper or some lined paper, whatever you have, even if it's not a perfect square, this is what we're going to do in order to get it there. So you're going to take the corner of your paper and you're going to carefully fold it up to make a triangle and line it up right to the edge of the paper. Once it's lined up really carefully, you're going to make a fold right here. So when you unfold this then, you'll have created a square. Right now you have half of a square, but this little extra bit is still hanging off here. So all you have to do is just take a pair of scissors and carefully cut off that rectangle from the side of your paper. And if you unfold it, now you should have a perfect square, and it already has one of the folds that we're going to need. So since it's already been folded this way, you're going to unfold it and fold it up the other way. Make sure to make a nice crease there. Once you've creased it, you can open it back up. Now we're going to take our paper and fold it, maybe you want to call this into a hot dog, horizontally, vertically, however you want to call it. Make that crease, open it back up, turn it around, and do it again. And now, once you've opened it up, you should have 8 equal sections on your square. But we're not quite done yet. At this point, we're going to take each corner and we're going to fold it into the center of our shape. And we're going to crease that as well. We're going to repeat that for all 4 corners. Once you've done that, when you open it up, you'll have all of these lines on your shapeshifter, and these are going to be the only lines that you're allowed to fold on when you go to create all of your shapes. So just to get you started on your task, now that you have your shapeshifter, you're going to be trying to make as many shapes as you can with this shapeshifter, but you are only allowed to fold on these lines you've already created. That means I can't take this and make a new fold randomly like that. So I have to only fold on the lines that I've built. So for example, if I fold my shape here, you can see that I've now made a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided figure or a pentagon. And that's one of the shapes of many that I can make out of this shapeshifter. So again, if I fold it into another one then, well, here's another 5-sided figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, but it's a different pentagon than what I had before. So your goal is to try to come up with as many shapes as you can with your shapeshifter.